Cowboy Eats, and I went to a restaurant. It was like a chicken restaurant, so we gonna tap into it. All right. That chicken is looking mighty fine. Ooh, that chicken looking bad. It's just cold, but yeah, this is what the spot is called. I don't even know, it's like a chicken spot, but hey, we're about to try it out. Oh, this is what we're eating. This is what we're gonna try out. So yeah, and the place is super nice. Or not.
Thank you. It's good?
That chicken busting. So good. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the best baked chickens I've had. Costco ain't got shit on them.
For real.
Costco, Walmart, Sam's Club, y'all ain't got shit on this lady.
Yeah. Say 감사합니다.
감사합니다. This is that spicy sauce. I think I went to 7-Eleven and I got this right here. It's a lemon butter cookie. So I'm excited, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna let y'all know what it's like. So this is what the cookie looks like, and now I'm gonna consume it. All right, y'all. So that cookie was good, but I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of mid. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Now we got this, and I'm gonna give it a try. That's bussin'. And then now I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna see if I really like them. So.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
That's a 10 out of 10, easy. Then I got this Oreo bar. We're gonna see if it's hitting.